maths channel. My name is JANIS. Alright, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my page, and if you've done that, thank you very much. Alright, so now from this question, they said make n the subject in E equal to what? The square root of x open bracket n minus x over n minus 1. Solution. First I have to do, let's bring back a question. I have what? E equal to what? Root x open bracket n minus x over n minus 1. So I want to make a subject. From here, first thing I have to do is what? I'll have to what? Square both. So I'll eliminate the root here. Let's remove the roots here so that I can have what? A proper fraction here. So I have it as what? E equal to what? You now have it as what? Root x open brackets n minus x over what? Open bracket n minus 1. So I'm squaring both sides. Squaring here, I'm also squaring here to remove all these roots. Good. So I'm now left with what? E square equal to what? X open bracket n minus x over n minus 1. Right. Now from here I can easily what? Balance this over 1 and cross multiply. So I'm crossing multiplying from here. So it becomes what? My e square will multiply this. Let me use a bigger bracket here. N minus 1. Good. Equal to what? I'm left with this part which is x open bracket n minus x. Alright, so let me open bracket here. Opening bracket here, I have what? E square n. Then e is also multiplying the 1. So it now becomes what? E. That is minus e. Let me write it properly. Minus e. Good. So e square times n give me what? E square n. Then e times 1 give me what? E square. That's e square times 1 give me the e square. So equal to, let's open this bracket. X times n give me what? Xn. Minus x times s give me what? X square. Remember, I'm looking for n. So what do I do here? So I have the value of n here, and also have the value of n here. So I have to collect like terms. So let's collect like terms. Collect like terms. So I have my what? E square n. Then this is coming. This is having a positive sign. So when it comes in, becomes a negative sign. Minus xn equal to. So this minus e is moving. So it becomes what? Just your e square. Then your minus is still here, minus x square. So I successfully collected like terms to make the n on one part so that I can easily what? Remove it. Alright, so from here I can easily say what? Factorize what? Let's factor out this side. Let's factor n out from here. So move to this part of the board. So let me bring back this question here. The question is e square n minus xn equal to what? E square minus x square. Alright. Now from here, I have to factor out n from here. So what's common here is n. Good. So n going to this, I'm left with what? E square. Minus n going to this, I'm left with just x. Equal to what? E square minus x square. Remember, my target is n. So I'm working with just n. So from here, I can decide to divide both sides by e square minus x. So I'm dividing here by what? E square minus x. I'm also dividing this side by what? E square minus x. So when they divide, this will remove this. So I'm left with what? N equal to what? E square minus x square over e square minus x. So this is my value of n. So I make n the subject of the formula from this question. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy your video. So kindly like and subscribe for more information and more video coming up. See you soon. Bye.